In the quiet hum of the world, there exists a constant internal urgency, a relentless push forward, a feeling that we are always behind, always needing to catch up. But what if we chose, just for a moment, to step off that spinning wheel? Peace is not the absence of life's motion, but the discovery of a stillness within it. It's a gentle force that slows that frantic inner pace, allowing the noise to settle like dust. It's the quiet understanding that you are exactly where you need to be. This peace allows your breath to deepen, your shoulders to drop, and your mind to clear, much like a forest after a soft rain. With this inner quiet, a peaceful mind begins to experience life differently. The world itself doesn't change, but your perception of it transforms entirely. The mundane becomes meaningful. The frantic pace of others no longer dictates your own. You begin to notice the subtle textures of your day, the warmth of a cup in your hands, the specific shade of the afternoon sky, the genuine sound of a person's laughter. Life ceases to be a checklist of tasks and obligations, and instead unfolds as a series of moments, each one rich with its own quiet beauty. You are no longer just passing through your life, you are truly inhabiting it. In this state of presence, calm changes time itself. The rigid ticking clock of our busy lives dissolves into a more fluid, expansive river. Minutes no longer feel like commodities to be spent, but like spaces to be lived in. The past's grip loosens, and the future's anxieties fade into a distant hum. There is only the gentle unfolding of the now. This is where true rest is found, not in the cessation of activity, but in the expansion of the present moment, where time feels generous and abundant. This feeling is not a distant destination. It is a path you can choose to walk at any time. It begins with a single conscious step. Feel the ground beneath you. Notice the air on your skin. Allow your movements to become deliberate, unhurried. Let each action be a small meditation. Move slower today.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.